Hi, hello and welcome to this video on thermodynamics. So in this video I'll be introducing you to some basic definitions in the thermodynamics. So out of all the definitions in the thermodynamics, you will see the fundamentals starting with the system, surroundings, wall and boundary. Okay, so first let us see what do we mean by a system in thermodynamics. So whenever we talk about a system in thermodynamics, we generally refer to a cylinder like this, fitted with a frictionless piston containing a gas inside the cylinder, and at say a particular volume, we say that this volume is the initial volume Vi. Okay, this is a frictionless piston that can move on inside the cylinder, frictionless piston. Okay, so now there is a external pressure that will be acting on this piston from the outside, and that pressure will be the atmospheric pressure. So the pressure of the gas inside the cylinder will be the internal pressure Pi, and this will be the external pressure Pi. So when the external pressure is equal to internal pressure, the piston remains in its position. So the piston doesn't move, so it remains in this position. Now this is called as a system. So when we say that this is a system, then naturally the part that is surrounding this area, this place, is what you call it as the surroundings. So these are all the surroundings that is away from the system, and this surrounding is differentiated or separated from the system by means of what do we call this is called as the wall or the boundary. So this is called as the wall or boundary of the system, which separates the system from the surrounding. So by definition, when we say a system, it's a very broader aspect that we are trying to say. We say that it is a part in the universe under study. It is a part under universe under study. So when we say that it is a system, it is the area in which that we are studying, it is taken as a part in the universe. It is not actually, if you see the system, if you take an example of a system, for example, if you do the salt analysis, when you do the salt analysis, you will be taking a test tube like this. The test tube will contain, say, salt. Some salt you can take, and you will be adding the reagents inside. Okay, so these reagents and salt together will constitute what is called as a system. So this is what we are going to study. That is, we are going to study the reaction between salt and the reagent, that we refer to as the system. And as explained earlier, this portion will be called as the boundary, and this portion will be called as the surroundings. Okay, so this is what we refer to as a system in the thermodynamics, which is referred in many types of processes. So we will be seeing the types of processes and other definitions in the successive videos. Thank you for watching my video.